Greetings. Let us discuss the impact of climate change and environmental degradation. These have become very pressing issues of global concern. Climate change is causing a drastic alteration in temperatures, precipitations, seasons, and other essential elements of our planet's climate. As a result, these changes have caused severe environmental degradation, leading to challenges in biodiversity, water, food security, human health, and socio-economic systems. The direct impact of climate change and environmental degradation on human life ranges from an increase in extreme weather events to disruptions in food and water supply to serious health and mental health challenges, particularly for the vulnerable groups. First and foremost, climate change increases extreme weather events like floods, droughts, heat waves, and cyclones, leaving us to suffer from lost homes, reduced crop yields, and fatalities. There has been an increase in human displacement and migration due to these adverse conditions. Second, climate change and environmental degradation are already impacting our food systems, leading to decreases in crop yields, changes in soil conditions, disruptions in our diets and in the water supply, and reduced sustainability of agriculture. Climate change is also likely to cause significant health challenges, including an increase in air pollution, plus an increase in diseases such as vector-borne cardiovascular diseases and others. Third, environmental degradation is affecting the mental health and well-being of people worldwide. As our environment changes dramatically and forces us to confront many of the consequences of climate change, our mental health is also suffering. Evidence points to an increase in stress, depression, and other mental health issues due to this issue. Finally, climate change is also impacting socio-economic systems, exacerbating global inequalities due to factors like unequal access to resources, poverty, and limited access to health services. Extreme weather events and health challenges have further impoverished and vulnerable populations and forced them out of their homes and countries, making them even more vulnerable than before. The damaging effects of climate change and environmental degradation can only be reversed by collective, sustained, and focused efforts from global, regional, and local actors to develop and implement ambitious and informed policies. The shift to a more sustainable model of development is an imperative which must be supported by governments. We must also work together to achieve climate justice by protecting the rights of the most vulnerable and bearing the burden of climate changes in a more equitable way. Climate change, environmental degradation are having devastating impacts on the natural environment, human life, and our societies. We must take collective and urgent action to tackle the root causes of climate change and reduce its impact on us. Unless we work collectively to address this issue, its impact will only worsen. So, let us look at some of the strategies for handling climate change and environmental degradation. So here are some tips. We have to reduce our carbon footprint, conserve energy, and protect our planet. Let us see how. Reduce your carbon footprint. So how can we do that? You can drive less, use our vehicles wherever necessary, and walk or bike more. Consume less energy. We have to ensure we consume less energy. Planting trees, which will help absorb carbon dioxide in the air. Compost and recycle, and buy locally produced goods. So we can reduce our carbon footprint as a first step. And let us also see we have to and how we can conserve energy. Use energy efficient appliances. Change air filters regularly and whenever necessary. Install LED light bulbs. They consume less energy. Take shorter showers. Unplug electronics when not in use. Protect the planet. So how do we protect the planet? We can use non-toxic cleaning products. Look for eco-friendly, bio-friendly products. Donate to environmental causes wherever possible, whenever possible. Conserve water, save water, and ensure it is not polluted. Reduce consumption of animal products. Eat seasonal, local produce. Wherever possible, try to protect the planet. So these are real issues, climate change and environmental degradation, and it has to be addressed. So we have the tool and resources to make a difference. Reducing your carbon footprint, conserving energy, and protecting the planet can help make a positive impact. And the time is now. Start today, right now. And by making simple changes in your lifestyle, we can make a big difference. Thank you.